Your Android phone may show it's connected, but a private DNS issue can slow down browsing, break apps, or even cut off the internet completely. Many people ignore it simply because they don't know what's going wrong. The good news? It's a quick and easy fix. Takes less than a minute. Let's solve the DNS problem right now. First, open up the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on Connections. Scroll down. Tap More Connection Settings. Now tap Private DNS here. Select the private DNS provider hostname. Scroll down a little bit. Here, type dns.google. Then tap Save. If you see that your Save button is grayed out, then simply restart your phone. And again, enter the Google DNS here likewise. That's all for today. If this video helped you, give it a like. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and take care.